Okay, let's go.
Hello and welcome to Campus to Career by the Commerce Forum. I am Tanzila Khan, your host for today. And today we are bringing you not just conversation, but a glimpse into how one of our very own Aloysian turned college memories into meaningful career. And today we have with us Miss Nidhi Rajat, who's currently doing wonders in as a professor in our college. We are super excited because today we are mixing career tips, inspiring stories, and a bit laughter. So buckle up. And मैम डोंट वरी, हम नहीं पूछेंगे आपसे कि किसने सबसे ज्यादा क्लासेस स्किप की, आप बता सकते हो, बट हमारे साथ ही रहेगा सीनियर. So
Don't worry, I won't reveal this kind of things.
so let's start with our first segment, that is college to career stories. So ma'am, let's start from the beginning. जब आप यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट थे, did you imagine yourself where you are today? या एक completely unexpected journey थी?
To be very honest, when in the beginning when I was doing my UG, at that time though I didn't imagine to be in this scenario or being in this position. But later on, when I took admission in PG, yes, from the day one, my ambition was this only, that actually I love teaching. I enjoy teaching a lot. I love to be with so cute faces around me. So basically, yes, it is something that I love. So from the day one of my PG journey, I actually dreamed of becoming an assistant professor.
So if you could describe your career journey in 3 milestones, what would they be?
My career journey in 3 milestones. To be very honest, till now I don't feel that I am at that point of my career where it can be a milestone. But yes, people say that when I meet and interact with people, they say that it is a quite surprising thing that I cleared UGC NET in the first attempt, and that too when I was in a PG only. That means my UGC NET certificate came before my I completed my PG. So that is one thing that people consider me. I don't feel like that anyone in the life is at the life at the peak of anything, that this is the thing that I wanted to achieve, that's it. And that is the reason I don't feel don't consider anything to be a milestone. But yes, in some of the points there are some achievements that I can consider. So the first one, I've already told you about the UGC NET, and the second one, I cracked the interview here in the first attempt, because I felt as it opened the doors for the others, people also of the lower age, that they could also become assistant professor in a very short period of time.
Okay, so let's keep it a little light. So could you tell us one funny or crazy memory from your college days
Oh my god.
at St. Aloysius?
Actually, there are many. Matlab, it is a difficult question because there are many memories. Actually, I was quite famous in the college time.
Oh, okay.
Ankrup was quite of a notorious once. But yes, we used to attend colleges daily. We used to attend classes daily. I used to participate in all the kind of activities. That is why there are many memories. But one which actually strikes me is some of our, matlab, the whole group were in the campus. We just entered to attend the classes, and one of my friends intendedly broke the shoe of my friend, and angrily what he did is he actually teased everyone and removed shoes of every friends that is there who were there in the group. And on that day we attended the whole classes, the whole college, every aspect that we were doing at that time. We were
Without
also
shoes.
practicing for the dance practice and all, bare feet, without
Oh.
shoes the whole day.
Wow, that's legendary. तो शायद हमारे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स जो सुन रहे हैं वो यही नोट कर रहे होंगे कि ये हमें नहीं करना है. Note to yourself.
Bilkul, don't try this kind of things.
Okay, so let's move on to our next segment, which is lessons from Aloysius. So, ma'am, we say once an Aloysian, always an Aloysian. ऐसी कौन सी एक वैल्यू, एक हैबिट या एक लर्निंग है from Aloysius जो अभी भी आपको गाइड कर रही है?
Habit, if you want To ask, to be very honest, it's a communication skill because actually, Aloysians faculty members really work hard on the communication skills of students, and that's a very good thing because it actually help us. With me, communication skill actually did wonders because it was very easy to interact with anyone. It was very easy to craft interviews, and even in other aspects also communication skills really help. So as you can see, it provides many platforms such as you people are doing these kind of activities, our assemblies, our debates sessions, and different kind of activities are actually promoted communication skills, which is still there with me.
Okay, so let's move on to our next segment, which is student-centric questions. So, ma'am, हमारे students ने कुछ wonderful questions भेजे हैं, and we have picked a few of you for you to answer. So, the first question is, how do I prepare myself for the real world beyond books? What's your advice?
The key is to be aware about the latest trends and awareness that is actually going on in the economy and overall world. Actually, I have noticed this that the students are not aware about the current things happening around the world. It is actually very important that you can cope up with the actually if someone is there and ask you what are your views in this. If you're facing an interview, if they ask you what do you think, it is a good or bad thing for an economic aspect or something like that. So you should have the facts and data that you can actually answer that question. So it is very important for students for today's world to be very aware about the latest trends and happening which is going around the world.
Okay. So our next question is, for placement or higher studies, what's that one thing students should start doing from today?
The first and the most important tip, or you can say suggestion, that I wanted to give these students is please start preparing as early as you can possibly. Because actually, if you're going for a higher studies, there are many competitive exams that you have to clear first. If you're going for in a prestigious institutions, and if you prepare early, definitely you're ahead of the other students who are actually thinking right now what should be done, where they have to go. So for the higher studies, I would suggest uh, be ready and be very prompt to know everything which is there in that particular field. Be updated because yes, the competitive exams and the things which they conduct for these students are changing every now and then. That is why they have to be updated. And for the placement ones, those who are going for the placement, the most important thing is to develop their skills. Please work on your skills in these 3 years when you are here in the college. The college actually provides us many platforms and many kind of other resources by which you can actually work on your skills. There are many add-on courses. There are many other activities going on, so you can actually develop your skills which is required in the current market situation. And actually human resource development is an issue in India right now, so you can resolve that by having skills that is important for the market.
Okay, so our next question is, नेटवर्किंग के लिए स्टूडेंट्स एलुमनाई कम्युनिटी को कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं? सिर्फ लिंक्डइन पे रिक्वेस्ट भेजने से ज्यादा वो और कैसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं अपने एलुमनाई से?
See, the first thing is being an Aloysian. It is you people are actually lucky. The students are actually lucky because the alumni network in Aloysians is actually very strong and very rich, I would say. It is not just in numbers. It's not just quantity. Actually, it's a quality as well. As you said in earlier, Aloysians, actually East or West Aloysians are the best. And that is the reason if you see that the people who are getting, who have graduated from here, who had did post graduations from here, now they are in a very prestigious institutions. They are running very profitable businesses, and by this you can have them as your mentors. You can have you can actually meet them and get some internships. If you have internships, if you have mentors, experienced mentors like them, so obviously they will guide you and they can guide you for your future steps. And if the question is how to reach them, there are the Department of Commerce and the colleges. They actually introduce many alumni activities in which alumni come to the institution, as a guest lecture, as the guest, or in any other form. Even there is a gathering of all the alumni. So students can reach to their alumni and have a conversation, and then they can find out. Actually, one of my student only, he is doing marketing course, and he had to do a marketing in for a car or something. So in institution, our alumni came, and he is an owner of Maruti Suzuki Arena showrooms at Jabalpur. Sorry, in a whole MP actually. So when he met, he came to know about him. So he gave him the opportunity to come and visit to his workshop and do any kind of survey or any kind of data that requires to do the marketing. So it is an opportunity where you can seek it by meeting the people here in the campus.
So our next question is, students have asked, how can we shape our career?
How can you shape your career is actually a question which depends on the career itself that the person is choosing, because actually you can see every kind of any kind of career if you are seeking, that means your hard work and smart work as well. But definitely the roadmap for every career is different. For example, I can guide you for the higher education, and the other alumni who are actually coming, they can guide you according to their particular aspects of working. So, but one key that is very common for each and every career is your hard work and discipline. Discipline doesn't mean that you have to be very calm or you have to be very particular about the things. Discipline is that you have to be very consistent about your goals. So, you choose any kind of career. Today's students are actually choosing different kind of careers as well. For example, blogging. For example, being an influencer, being a market expert, data analytics. So all these kind of careers are also being chosen. So for every career, whether it is a fun way or whether it is a actual serious professional. So in both of these, the key is hard work and discipline. If you stick to your goals, if you are doing actually what is required in that particular field, definitely the success is yours.
Okay, so our last question is, what skill do you think today's commerce students should build to succeed in the corporate world?
What skills are basically, there are set of skills. When you are there in the corporate world, when you are there in the real market, there are set of skills which is required to deal with different kind of situations. It is not a role play that people have given, that the professor have given you a role play and you have to play that particular character only. So basically over here, number of skills can be obviously analytical skills. If you can't analyze things which is going around you, definitely it will be a drawback for you. So analytical skills today as a commerce student, and then the field which is very strong right now is financial aspects. So I think financial technology, digital literacy kind of skill is really important for student today. And one more, a common thing would be awareness about the latest trends, about the latest things which is going on around the world, around the market, especially in your particular field. If you are there in that particular field and you are just absorbed learning about it, definitely you cannot grow. So, so in your field, whatever new trends are going on, you can have, because learning about new trends is also a skill. Everyone can do that. So this is one of the skills that you have to be aware about each and everything which is there in your field. So analytics, financial literacy, tech driven, and awareness about the world can be some of the skills which can boost your corporate growth.
ओके सो मतलब चैट जीपीटी और गूगल पे हम रिलाई नहीं कर सकते
बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते.
ओके सो आवर नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट इज अ फन सेगमेंट व्हिच इज रैपिड फायर राउंड
Oh my god.
तो इसमें आपको बिना सोचे समझे सीधा आंसर करना है सो टी कॉफी
Coffee,
वर्क फ्रॉम होम और ऑफिस
office,
वन वर्ड टू डिस्क्राइब योर कॉलेज एक्सपीरियंस
dynamic.
फेवरेट स्नैक इन Aloysius canteen
I don't go to canteen much, but yes, samosa.
first thing you did after your last exam in college
First thing that I did after the last exam of college, hang out with friends.
one word for Aloysius teachers
Fantastic.
So let's move on to our next segment, that is practical career insights. So मैम, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू अगर कोई स्टूडेंट आपकी फील्ड में आना चाहता है तो उनको कौन से स्टेप्स लेना चाहिए, 2-3 एक्शनेबल स्टेप जो आप बता सकते हैं?
If he wants to come in my field, that means to how to become an assistant professor. So the first step is that you have to do your PG, post graduation program. Though the PG has the time duration for the PG has reduced now, but the first step is that you have to do your PG in the field that you want to become an assistant professor, whether it is commerce or anything else. So the first step is PG. Then the next one is while pursuing your PG, please start for preparing your UGC net. Actually, it is not at all easy exam. It takes a lot of efforts. And for preparing your UGC net, I would suggest you that please go through the syllabus thoroughly. Actually, the syllabus is not what it seems to be. You have to decode each and every topic which is there in each and every unit. So, what I did when I was preparing for my UGC net, at that time I made my own notes. I have not taken notes from anywhere else. I used to watch videos and then make my own notes on each and every topic which is there in the syllabus. And then I came to know, okay, the syllabus is just a big picture, and there you are having so many small segments. So you can do that if you're preparing for the NET exam. The most important thing is continuous learning. You have to study or learn, not study. Studying is okay, but learn new kind of things which is there asked in the paper, because the paper has now been shifted to analytical skill in analytics way more than the remembering one. After when you qualify your UGC net, that is also having a different levels. There are 1, 2, 3 levels. If you qualify JRF, then definitely you can go directly to your PhD. And if you are qualifying only net, then you have to give entrance exam for the PhD as well. So the third step is to pursue your PhD, take the admission at PhD, and after completing your PhD, definitely you can be a assistant professor in a renowned institution. But it's not like without PhD you cannot, because if you qualify NET gives you permission, it gives you a qualification to be assistant professor in the college. So if you want to start early, then please focus on UGC NET. Otherwise, definitely you need a PhD to become an assistant professor.
So if you want to suggest any channels related to,
There are many channels. Yes, there are many channels. You can, for the paper one, that is actually a general paper. You can see the content of Kumar Bharat. He has explained every topic very nicely. And for the commerce one, especially, you can actually go for the everstudy.com, for the Mohit Sharma's notes. And there are for different aspects, there are different videos also there. There is Neema Garg. She's also very good with the economics part. So there are different, for each unit you can have different people's video, different kind of supervisions by the different people.
okay, love it. That's the energy we need in our students. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us today. Your story proves that Aloysius सिर्फ एक हमें डिग्री ही नहीं देता बल्कि एक डायरेक्शन भी देता है. Signing off. To all the listeners, याद रखिए हर एक former student वहीं बैठा था जहां आज आप बैठे हैं. So learn from their journey, stay curious and stay connected. This is Tanzila Khan signing off from Campus to Career. और जाते जाते once an Aloysian, always an Aloysian.